Namaskara Bengaluru. Today we are at Yelahanka and the project is Elegant Tropical Symphony. We are here to know more about the project. I am with Miss Kyra, who is sales here. Hi, Miss Kyra. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Can you please tell me more about this project?
So we are situated on Bellary Main Road, right opposite GKVK, near Mother Dairy.
Okay.
And we have about 310 units spread across 3 acres of land.
So, Kyra, what is the USP of your project?
So the USP in terms of connectivity, we are very well connected. We are 25 minutes away from the airport. We have all major hospitals like Asta CMI, Manipal. When it comes to schools, we have KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya, we have NPS, we have Chaitanya, Narayana, all those schools which are pretty close by. When it comes to entertainment, we have Mall of Asia, we have RMZ Galleria, we have ST Mall. So yes.
And what is the price starts here from?
So we have 2, 3 and 4 BHKs. The 2 BHKs start at 1.25 crores and the 3 BHKs start at 1.5 crores.
So what all amenities do you have in your project?
So when it comes to amenities, we have an infinity pool, we have a yoga center, we have a huge clubhouse, a sunrise and a sunset point. We have a pickleball court, a basketball court, a pet area like a pet park. We have a jogging track. We have sunken seating. We have an amphitheater, musical deck and a dance deck. We have a basketball court, a skating ring, a children's play area, and a lot more.
So, Kyra, can you please tell me something about Elegant?
Yes, so we were founded in 2004. We have 20 years of experience in the real estate market. We've delivered more than 30 projects with 16,000 happy customers, and we have delivered over 3 million plus square feet. And this happens to be our signature project, marking 20 years of success in the market.
Thanks for the information, Kyra. If you are interested to own a flat in Elegant Tropical Symphony, please contact on the below given number. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.